So, after 7 minutes, rapid boil na, oh. As you can see. Hi guys, so today we are gonna do an unboxing of this new Hamilton Beach glass kettle. This retails for $39.97 Canadian. And then it has a capacity of 1.7 liters. Okay, there's actually two sizes for this, or two capacity for this. One is the 1 liter capacity. Medyo small siya. Kung siguro single ka lang or dalawa kayo sa household, perfect yon. Pero we got this bigger one, the 1.7 liter capacity. And this is what it looks like. So it's not heavy, although it's glass here. Pero inside, stainless steel siya. Okay. Okay, so yung features niya, this is the power base, and ayun yung cord. This is the power switch. This automatically turns off after nag-boil yung inyong water. Meron din siyang power light located inside the kettle. So, ito yung blue light na nag-illuminate while the water is boiling. And then, this is the lid. And then, inside, you can see, meron siyang meshed filter. And then, ito yung lid open. So, hindi siya mahirap buksan from the lid. Akala ko before, you have to lift it to open. Nung pala, there's two buttons here that when you push it, ayun, you can lift it easily. And then, it stays steady like so. This is good for easy cleanup because it has a wide opening. So, at first, we're gonna clean it with hot water and liquid soap. Okay, so we are gonna try our new glass kettle. So, as you can see, the water is filled up until the maximum level. I am gonna press it on. Wow, look at the light. So, it's 6:38. We're gonna see how long it'll take us to boil 1.7 liters of water. So, 2 minutes pa lang tayo into boiling, but you can see some bubbles forming already. And then, when you touch it, it's getting hot. Mainit na siya. 3 minutes into boiling. Four minutes into boiling. So, after 7 minutes, rapid boil na, oh. As you can see. Ayun. So, after 7 minutes, guys, as you can see, nag-rapid boil muna siya, and then nag-turn off na yung ating on and off switch. So, it's very, very hot in here. And this is the beauty of the cord-free serving, is after siya mag-boil, you can just lift it up and then just serve. It took us 7 minutes to boil this 1.7 liter capacity of our glass kettle. So, very, very hot. Be very, very careful. Pero the bottom one, or the base, is not hot. Nice, no? So, you can just put it on your table. But there you go, guys. I'm happy with this purchase. Thank you for spending time with me. Until next time. Bye-bye.